Have you ever witnessed a moment in nature that felt like a miracle? In this video, we'll explore some of the most incredible and elusive one in a billion moments that occur in the natural world. This unusually shaped, blood orange lenticular cloud has recently spotted in Turkey. Heavy rains in Brazil transform a hiking trail into a magical underwater paradise. When disturbed, bioluminescent plankton illuminates its surroundings with a beautiful neon blue glow.
Oh my goodness.
A sundog or sun halo is an ultra-rare phenomenon that occurs when sunlight is refracted by ice crystals that are floating high up in the atmosphere.
Whoa. What the heck did that come from?
I don't know. What is it? What is that?
I don't know. Where did it come from? Yeah, it's steaming.
Wind so
Yeah, it's steaming wind. So strong it makes a waterfall float in reverse. A magnificent and extremely rare capture of a double circle rainbow. Rainbow, a true wonder of nature, chaotic, turbulent clouds that move like waves. They're called undulatus asperatus and are the world's rarest cloud formation. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.